Welcome to ProdAnt, a prototype program. It's like OnConc, but with a slightly different and more focused idea, and that is you can take specific patterns, apply them to the corpus, and the ProdAnt will find and gather for you the texts that have the highest concentration of that pattern. In our case, we are going to be looking for the pattern of these 4 keywords in English: are, ours, we, and us. When Hillary Clinton uses these pronouns, she can either use them exclusively to refer to women only, in which case she's increasing women's solidarity, or she can use them inclusively to include men as well, in which case she's not using these pronouns to further female solidarity. We're not necessarily making big judgments about whether female solidarity is good or bad. We're simply trying to understand her style as a speaker and whether her words are strengthening the sense of community among women or not as much. So we're looking at these 4 words, and these are our patterns. What we're going to first do, though, is in this video is learn how to read in her speeches into ProdAnt. And to do that, we're going to keep the setting on raw because we're actually looking at text. And if you add files, you add individual files. Directory adds whole folders, and that's what we have. And so we're going to add the directory, and then we're going to look for where her corpora is, and we find it on our disk. And you see there are 3 folders. There's plain text where she's First Lady talking about women, plain text where she's Secretary of State talking about women, plain text where she's a U.S. Senator talking about women. And we cannot read all 3 at one time, but we can read them one at a time. So we're going to select First Lady, select the folder, and voila, all the First Lady are read into ProdAnt. We're then going to select the second, and here is the folder for Secretary of State. We're going to select that. Now you scroll down, you'll see all these files were added. And then we're going to look again, and we're going to find U.S. Senator, and we're going to select one more time. And they're all in, and that's where our video is going to end at this point.